Here's how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or working. First, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and launch it. Here, click Virus and Threat Protection. Then select Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Here, scroll down to the Exclusions section and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Next, click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and browse to the Rockstar Games installation folder. In most cases, it's located in C drive, then Program Files Den 86. Here, look for Rockstar Games. Select the Rockstar Games folder and click Select Folder to add it as an exclusion. Once you've done that, close Windows Security and try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the launcher still doesn't open File Explorer and go to C drive. Here, again, go to programfiles.x86. Find the Rockstar Games folder, right-click it, and rename it by adding an underscore at the beginning of the folder name. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. After renaming the folder, go to your desktop, right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut, and select Run as Administrator. Wait a few moments and check if the launcher opens normally. If the issue continues, open the Start menu again, search for Settings, and launch it. Then, click Apps from the left side, then select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type OneDrive. If Microsoft OneDrive appears and you don't use it, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted. Some users have reported that OneDrive can cause compatibility issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher. However, if you actively use OneDrive to sync your files, you should leave it installed. After completing these steps, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again and check if it's working properly. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.